Okay, so we're here with our Superduty 99 F350 and the hood closes. Nice. And the hood closes. Nice. Okay, let's try that again. Anyways, we're at our 99 F350 here. 7.3 liter diesel, and we haven't fired it up for a little bit. So we're looking to pick up a bed and a transmission for this guy, or rebuild this transmission. So we're just letting it chill in a nice spot that doesn't get frigged over. Anyways, it's been 2 months or 3 months?
4 months.
Andrew thinks 4 months that we haven't fired this guy up yet. So let's see. No, film me. Okay, give it a try. No, we might have to adjust the connections. Yeah. Okay, I moved the connections on the battery. Let's try again. Maybe we'll let it sit for a minute. Show you guys why we need a bed. I don't know if we ever showed you this. Don't use bed liners. That's all I gotta say. It's a 99. There's some dog poo. 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 Anyways. Try again. Okay, let it chill now. That's for sure gonna show you some more of the bed. That's quite nice. There. Oh yeah, we wedged that out. This side, duct tape. Oh, not too bad. And there's the same. Okay, we're gonna try it again. See what happens. Nice. Nothing really. No chooch. Well, maybe the tiniest bit I can smell. Oh. Alright, we had to put the battery cables away, but that fired up like a champ. No big cheech. That's a big surprise. And that was hardly with any glow plugs too, because we were just testing.